Hey guys, check this out. I got my winter project. It's a 1970 Sears Custom 8M. It's a little rough, but it actually runs, and the thing is all original. This was a local find. It was about 25 minutes away. It needs work. It needs work. Look at those tires. Ooh-wee. This one's even worse. You can see the rubber all peeling off of it. It's dirty, but it's all there. Look at this tire. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Amazing what 55 years will do to rubber. It's unusual to see both the covers still in place. A pulley cover on that side, and there's a cutout in the frame for a starter generator, and that cover is usually missing, but it's actually there. It's the original engine too. 8 horse brakes, and it runs. That engine actually runs. The belts are completely shot on it. I go around. The guy I bought it from, he cleaned out the carburetor and he cleaned out the gas tank just to get it running. The person that he got it from installed electronic ignition in it. But those belts, like you can see, the cord's coming out of one of the belts. The mower deck belt especially. Can you see that in there? There's nothing left of that belt. That's supposed to be a V-belt. Look at it. It looks like a serpentine belt. Oh yeah, it's all there. Now we got a brand new kill switch in there, grounded to the dash. Aluminum dashboard in these. The grill too. The grill is also aluminum. Unfortunately, this engine is not going to have any type of charging system, so no lights will be going in it. It's going to end up staying the factory installed blockout covers. The grill looks like it's in good shape. Usually these on the inside, they get all cracked from where they mount, because if it gets a hit in the front, it'll push that grill back and it'll crack down in there. And that hood back up, get a little bit of light down in there. This area will usually crack on these. Oh yeah, it's in good shape. Has both the original grill supports. The rear tires aren't too bad. They have some cracking between the tread, but I'm not real concerned with the tires. I have plenty of tires around. They have the original Sears tires for these. That is a set of original Sears tires. But those will be coming off, and one of my better sets will go on here. Somebody added an extension to it. That's a good thing. That means we know somebody has changed the oil in it. The rear end in these hold 5 quarts of 30-weight gear oil, or motor oil. 5 quarts in that thing. Look at the size of the axle tubes and the hubs. It's kind of dirty and dark in there, shadowy. Can we see the side any better? There we go. It's a 3-bolt hub. So it's a 5-bolt wheel, but they only have 3 lugs. There was a set of small wheel weights that Sears had that attached to the other 2 bolt holes. It's pretty good though. It's gonna make a nice winter project. I mean, the hardest part's already done. The engine runs, the transmission's good. It's just a whole lot of cosmetic restoring and some mechanical. They did some stuff to the mower deck. See, this side, the coupler is still on there and it still slides the way it's supposed to. But if we go around to the other side, we're going to see the unfortunate. Somebody welded this one on. So now it's a pain in the ass to change the belt on this thing, because what you're supposed to do is pull the C-clip that holds this in place, slide the coupler back, same thing on the other side, pull the C-clip, slide the coupler towards the box, and then the drive shaft just pops right out. But now with that welded, the gearboxes have to come off. But that's all right. This one has to come off anyway because that box has a lot of slop in it. The other one is nice and tight. This one needs some rebuilding. I have plenty of spares. Alright guys, that's my winter project. We'll see what ends up happening with it. Oh, did it again. It runs, it lives, it even moves. I got that strap down really tight too, and it still moved.